Hey guys, welcome to another grocery haul. We just got home from my mom and dad's. Nick went and bought groceries this week, so we will see what he got and how it's different from what I buy. So I will show you what he got. Okay, starting over here in the bottom corner, he got the Clear American Lime Sparkling Water. Was this the only flavor they had, or did they have more?
That was the only flavor they had.
This was the only flavor they had.
There was only two and I grabbed one.
So, oh, there was only two? So there was two and he got one of them. So we got that. Here is a package of the boneless, skinless chicken breast. We have, evidently we're having spaghetti this week.
Or pasta.
Or some kind of pasta dish. We have 1 can of the Hunt's tomato basil pasta sauce. And 1 of the roasted garlic and onion pasta sauce. This one is actually really good. We've had this before. We have 1 can of the coconut milk. Oh, sorry, 2 cans of coconut milk. A tube of lemongrass. 1 of ginger. I believe we're having Korean bowls this week. We have some frozen corn on the cob. Nick is making some kind of soup this week. He's gonna put corn on the cob in it. We have a 8-ounce block of mild cheddar cheese, a thing of queso panela. I don't know how to say it. Is it mozzarella cheese? No, I don't know. I've never bought that one. What? Proudly Wisconsin cheese?
Panela, babe.
Panela. This is a Wisconsin cheese. Cool. Alright. The more you know. We have some Chi-Chi's flour fajita style soft shell taco shells. Some of these delicious quesadilla shells that you like heated in this pan. Some Mexican mini popsicles, strawberry, coconut, and mango. Those are super yummy. Some Yakult, non-fat probiotic drink. I think these are for me. We have some Haribo Happy Colas. 4 packages of smoked oysters in oil. Looks like Nick got some new body wash because Amelia dumped all of his in the bathtub. So it's the Cremo moisturizing body wash in the coconut and tea tree scent. He picked up some sweets. We got the Betty Crocker Delights Walnut Supreme, or Supreme Walnut, I guess. The Krusteaz Meyer lemon bars. Some Japanese style panko breadcrumbs. And a twin pack of double cheeseburger hamburger helper. Then back down here again. This is actually something I asked him to pick me up. I needed more moisturizer. I used the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. That's the one I use like for daytime. He got 5 of the tonkatsu ramens. And then a package of beef ramen. 2 vanilla silk almond creamers, 2 things of cream style corn, an 18 pack of eggs. This is for me to drink. He picked up a bottle of Bragg's liquid aminos, as well as soy sauce, and is this just to have on hand? A chili garlic sauce.
Because that one's almost gone. Yeah.
We have a jar of Vlasic kosher dill spears, as well as some sriracha. And then a 5-pound bag of Idaho potatoes, a 3-pound bag of frozen broccoli. We have 3 or 4 broccoli crowns, a bag of carrots, 2 English cucumbers, 4 sweet potatoes. We're making sweet potato hash. We have some green onions, celery, zucchini in there. Is this cilantro? Some cilantro, romaine lettuce, a head of broccoli, and oh no, sorry, a head of cabbage. Oops. And 3 bulbs of garlic. So that is everything Nick got for groceries at Walmart. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.